Hello guys, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. Wow, I don't carry enter 18 today. This is ISIEWU. How many plates can you consume? How do you prepare your ISIEWU? Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to prepare this delicious ISIEWU. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to wash your goat head properly well. Just concentrate on the ear and the tongue. Wash it very well because there are some particles on the ears, so you need to use your hand and rub it to wash it properly well. You can see the way I'm washing it. That is the way you should wash your own. Okay, have you shared this video on your wall? If not, share it now. Don't come and prophesy to me to send you video because I may not have the time. Share it on your wall now. All right, here are the ingredients for this delicacy. Right in here I have my onions, Ugba, that is oil bean, fresh pepper, ehiri or calabash. I have crayfish, I have salt, onions, red oil, minced spices. This is Utazi leaf, and this is goat brain. Then I have my salt here and the Knorr cubes, 2 Knorr cubes. So on a clean pot, just add your meat and add all the spices. Add everything together: Cameroon pepper, onions. This is supreme minced spices, thyme. This is Knorr, 2 Knorr cubes. Then you're going to stir them together and cook till meat is tender. This is the goat head brain. All right, now you are going to wrap it on a foil or a nylon and put it inside the pot. Now the secret behind this is for you to secure this brain, because we are going to use it to make our sauce. All right, so you need to secure it so that it doesn't scatter in the pot. That is the reason why you need to put it on a nylon or a foil. When you use this goat brain to make your sauce, oh wow, the taste is something. The taste is extraordinary. That is the secret of making a delicious ISIEWU goat head. Okay, it's very fine. That is the secret number 1. Yeah, do you get that? My friend, have you been following me on my YouTube channel? If not, yeah, let's go there because that is where you'll find more interesting videos. Now this is our ungo. We are going to use it to make the sauce. On a clean bowl, add your red oil, add your ungo liquid into the mixing bowl and stir till colors. You can see the color has changed. Add your Cameroon pepper, add salt, just 1 Knorr cube, Utazi leaf, a little bit of fresh pepper, enough crayfish, okay, some onion rings. This is ehu. Some people calls it ehiri. Now this is the goat's brain. Oh wow, this is the goat's brain I'm talking about. So you're going to give it a good mix, okay? Mix it very, very well. Now add your ISIEWU goat head. Mix it very well again until everything is combined. As you are mixing, you are going to sprinkle your oil bean, that is Ugba. Now give it a good mix, a thorough mix, okay, until everything is well combined. Then after, you can now taste for salt. Okay, you can serve it on okwa or plate and garnish it with onion rings and Utazi leaf. Wow, our ISIEWU is ready. You can wash it down with your palm wine if your palm wine is available, or odebu. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, subscribe, okay? Subscription is free, so that you can be getting more of these mouth-watering recipes. Thank you very much.
Come and join me.